It went all the way to the Missouri State Supreme Court. Now a decision is paving the way for free health care for hundreds of thousands of Missourians. Good evening, I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. Voters approved Medicaid expansion last year, but Republican lawmakers blocked it. Our Casey Nolan is here to explain what the state Supreme Court said about that today. Casey?
Well, the argument from Republicans was that voters passed Medicaid expansion without giving them a way to pay for it. Well, in a unanimous decision, the state's high court said that doesn't matter and ruled the state must open up Medicaid to more people.
It's almost surreal. We spent many years trying to get the legislature to do the right thing and just pass this.
But instead, Missouri voters passed a constitutional amendment to expand access to Medicaid. Currently, it's harder to get Medicaid in Missouri than in most other states. Most people make too much money to qualify and not enough to be eligible for plans under Obamacare. Stuck in the gap between without health insurance, says Drew Knoblauch with Missouri Healthcare for All.
I think a lot of people don't realize, and something I've learned, is that it's really a matter of luck whether you end up falling into the gap and needing this type of Medicaid expansion and are uninsured.
He says Thursday's ruling from the Missouri Supreme Court should close most of that gap. The High Court shot down the Republican argument that voter-approved Medicaid expansion was unconstitutional because it didn't provide a way to pay for it. The federal government will pick up 90% of the cost of expansion, leaving an estimated $130 million for Missouri to pay per year, money the state can't afford. Some Republicans have also argued.
You know, it's a valid concern the legislature's had for a long time, and so here's a couple quick numbers on that.
Tim McBride studies health economics at Washington University. Since several states have already expanded Medicaid under the same federal program, he says there is plenty of research to show this expansion could actually save Missouri money, especially when you factor in about $2 billion the Biden administration has promised to pay Missouri if it expands Medicaid.
There's a lot of things in economics I can tell you that are not so clear. This one's pretty clear.
So we actually collect stories from around the state and have done so for the past 8 years. This means more to a lot of people than can even be expressed. For some folks, it is literally life-saving.
So what's next? Well, I'm told the state has 5 days to ask for a retrial, but advocates for expanding Medicaid expect newly eligible Missourians will be able to enroll starting next month. I reached out to the Attorney General's office. They said because this is technically still an active case, they couldn't comment. Man.